guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different type of video. Yes, we have the Lizzy Shrine. I am at my mom's house. I've been really good with social distancing and being very safe. I am at her house. I'm here to clean because it just needs to be clean. Trying her best, so I need to help her. I need to do her bathtub. I need to scrub her floor. I need to mop. I need to do a lot of stuff. I came to her house finally on Mother's Day. I was so happy, but then I had to vacuum and stuff because things are getting let go. So yeah, because now it's to the point where the vacuum's too heavy for her and stuff like that, and she's 87. So I'm gonna help her. I'm not a professional cleaner. Also, I'm not gonna use super strong products because of ventilation reasons and because she is elderly, so I want to make sure she's okay and it doesn't make her sick. The dog and the cat are here. They do make a mess. They're getting older. Sometimes they're peeing and, you know, they're having a little bit of crap in the living room, so I'm gonna help her out. My mom does have a Swiffer, but she didn't have the liquid, so I bought the Wet Jet liquid for her. Some brand new scrubbers I'm gonna use in her bathtub. A simple green all-purpose cleaner for her floor. This one is non-toxic. She has the pets. She has that Swiffer right there. That's the vacuum that she's able to carry, but honestly, it's not good at all. So we have the Wet Jet Heavy Duty. Then I brought some cleaning products from my house. This is for the bathroom. I have my mask because of the fumes, gloves to protect my skin, Clorox for the toilet, Lysol for the bathroom, all-purpose Myers cleaner, just for other surfaces as well. Clink for her garbage disposal, which gives a nice lemon scent. I actually forgot to bring a lemon because I wanted to clean her microwave, but I'll do that. Clorox bleach and blue for her toilet. A new sponge, Windex. Oh, I forgot the paper towel roll. Just kidding, I brought it in, so I have paper towels as well. I'm gonna clean for probably like about 2 to 3 hours. We're gonna see how much I get done. I just wanna make sure I thoroughly go through everything. I can continue this clean with me on another day in case I don't get to everything, but hopefully you guys enjoy, and I figured, hey, let me do a clean with me, different setting, and then I'll also do a clean with me at my house as well. Also, not sure if you guys do this, but I have a sweater on. It is warm today, but I like to wear a sweater because it helps me sweat, and I feel like it's almost like sweet sweat when you work out or you wear your sweatband, because I'm already starting to sweat, so good to get those toxins out. I'm literally in my Victoria's Secret sweater, my shorts, and socks, so this is my clean with me glam as well. Nothing except SPF. So first thing I did was prep my bucket. I brought this from my house as well. I forgot to show you. It's from Home Depot. It's an awesome mop and bucket set. I'm sure you can get it lots of other places. And I place a simple green solution inside, which I do recommend. Have you guys ever used this? I really liked it. So then I started removing all the stuff from her living room. Now Nani, unfortunately, is getting old and she's starting to have accidents. That's why there's a little pee pad. We call it the Peeps pad. And then the litter box, just in case the cat has an accident. He is usually like an outdoor cat and he does his business outside, but that's like the JIC kind of litter box. No lie, you guys, your girl put in work. I was putting my muscle in, I was pushing, and nothing wanted to lift. Right there, I'm really concentrating on a section right there, and I knew I was gonna have to go in for a second round. This mop is bomb, but the stains and all the nitty gritty was just, it was on there for too long, so I needed just to kind of drench in the solution. It was already looking really good. Dumped out the dirty water. I kind of missed that shot, I know, fail. But you guys will see it for the second round. Look at that spinning in action. I love this mop. And then look at the second round. Can you imagine the first? Oh my gosh. And she was so shy, and I told her not to feel bad, but here's some before action, all those stains that did not want to lift, and it was so satisfying seeing this after shot. Ooh, beautiful. Then I headed to the bathroom so I could take a break from mopping, and I'm probably gonna have to help her organize her towels and all her stuff in her cabinets another day. So I took everything off her vanity, her soap, her decor, her cosmetics and nail polishes, and then I started cleaning her, I was about to say window, her mirror, and it wasn't too bad. And then I took another paper towel and I got the dust all around. Now when I was cleaning the borders of it, I took the Myers spray just because that one's like really nice and gentle. And then I also took that spray and I started cleaning her cabinets down below. Now I don't know how they got dirt down there. I'm thinking maybe something just dropped down from the sink. The cat usually likes to jump on there. He's kind of spoiled, so. And then I was just cleaning all her cabinets, and this one did a really good job. It's really gentle and it smells good. And it wasn't too bad. It was really easy. And then I started cleaning the tops, but then I noticed I didn't do the bottoms when I started editing this video. And I was like, why didn't I do that? Next time. Then I took the Myers cleaner and I just hit the vanity all around, and then I took a sponge because there was some nitty gritty, as you will see, and I just wanted something a little bit stronger and to also not waste a bunch of paper towels. The dirt wasn't sticking that much. It was pretty easy, as you can see all the debris that came off of it easily. And then the sink, I noticed that there was some mildew buildup, so I used my Lysol and I just sprayed that and I let that sit, and then I hit her hardware of her sink and I used Lime Away, and then I used my sponge again just because it's a little bit more abrasive and it'll get off all the gunk that's just been sitting on there. Anything that was going to go back onto the vanity was definitely going to get a good wipe down. Her hand soaps, any decor, just anything that was going to be placed back on top. Whenever I see dust on anything on a vanity, I always think, where are you coming from? Where are you from, dust? I have no idea. It's a mystery. So here I'm cleaning off her mirrored tray, and then I made sure to clean every single item that was going to go back on top of her tray as well. There was dust all over everything, just her nail polishes, cosmetics, and skincare. And here's the before action. Again, I love these. Just the dirt on the cabinets, the dirt all on top of this sink. All the just mess everywhere, and then we're gonna get the final results of a beautiful clean vanity. Look at that. So after her vanity, I went ahead and battled her tub, and no lie, I was looking so forward to this because there's something about a sparkly white tub that just makes me so happy. So she had debris on her tile, all on her tub, so I just removed all the products too because, you know, all that grime and stuff and gunk that builds up underneath. Hit it with the Lysol foamer with bleach. Now this stuff is really strong, but just let it sit for like about, I don't know, I let it sit for probably 7 minutes or so, and it just starts lifting everything up. So that's why I just went to the toilet, which was super easy with my Clorox bleach. You know, you just wipe all the way around the toilet bowl, super easy. Now this brush that I bought worked really well. I got it from Lowe's. I'm sure you can get a lot of brushes super similar, but it scrubbed off all the debris really easy, plus just letting that Lysol just kind of sit on everything. And I was so excited to just finish this tub because, like I said, I get satisfaction out of a clean bathtub. It's like my favorite thing to see, like the end result for some reason. What about you guys? Do you have a certain thing that you like to see completely clean and you just feel like, okay, my day is complete? Once I rinsed everything off, you can see how sparkly it was, and I was so happy. Look at that. Wah! After the tub, I finished up her toilet, cleaned off the top and the handle, and then I wanted to add the Clorox bleach and blue little tab. I love this, well, mainly because it cleans, but I can't lie. I love how whenever you flush a toilet, the water turns blue. This is after one flush. Once you hit the second one, it's much more blue, and I love it. It's a twofer. Then the cat decided to come back in because his hotel was finally clean for him. He's just thanking me. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am so tired. I've been cleaning for 3 hours and 40 minutes. It probably doesn't seem like it, but I was trying to get every little corner just to make sure everything is just deep clean so that you don't have to go back and do extra work. And deep clean, it'll just be maintenance. I am sweaty in my sweater for sure, so I feel like I did a little bit of a workout as well. Let me know if you guys want a part 2. I will totally do that. I still need to mop her living room, her bathroom, and I want to go ahead and clean her kitchen as well. Let me know if you guys want to see that, and I want to help her like organize some of her stuff so she doesn't have like stuff cluttering up. Okay guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you beautiful people in the next one. Whoop. Like it?
I love it, honey. Love, love, love.
Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching.